Hello, we're just going to give you a little tour around the Carrier 820, which we've just put new rings, new discs on even. Really smart example, this machine. So we've got new discs just fitted here by our workshops. These are the original steel rings. I might just mention as to the discs, we believe the discs we took off were original as well. So this machine hasn't done loads of work. Not for an 8 metre. An 8 metre often would have done a large acreage, but not this one. So there we are. We've obviously checked over the bearings as we've done the discs, and if any needed replacing, they would have been done. It's all very clean in the centre beam section, and this is coming up the drawbar. And then coming down now to the towing eye, which just looks like an original towing eye on there. There we are. So yeah, this is one that I would give an 8.5, possibly even a 9 out of 10. This machine, it is really smart. But then we come back in here and view from behind. I think that's shown you most of what you would like to see. But yeah, thoroughly recommend this machine.